Okay, I've got a Infiniti QX60 in the shop today, and customer is complaining that their AC is blowing a warm. Got it set to 60. Got the AC on there. Let's go ahead and check to see what our temps are reading, and we'll let that sit there for a minute and check. All right, so I've let it sit for a little bit now, and it is not blowing cold. It's just actually blowing hotter than the ambient temp in the car. So yeah, our AC is not working. Now, I did notice that when I do command it on, that our AC pressures are a little... Okay, so you can see our pressures are reading at 375 psi and 90 psi. So we could have an overcharge system. I'm gonna go ahead and let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and evac it and then see how much Freon we get out of it. Okay, so we only pulled out 0.904 pounds, and it takes 1.94 pounds. Now, that would indicate that we probably have a restriction, which would be why the high side is high and the low side was high. So we're gonna go ahead and figure it out. I'm thinking maybe condenser or expansion valve might be damaged. So now I believe I might have found our issue. These are the AC lines that run to the back of the vehicle here. They run all the way to the back. They're crushed. They're crushed. So somebody at some point in time probably, lifted it up with the lift and crushed those lines, said, oh, that's not good, and dropped it down and thought it would be fine. Probably was good for a little while, but I believe this is what is affecting our pressures. Now, as far as the low Freon, I still believe that we might have an issue with the rear evaporator core on this vehicle. But I did request some more diag time because you're gonna have to evac the system and remove the whole component, which is taking the back half of the car interior apart. So I will upload a video if they approve that, and we'll go from there. And I'll show you that if the evaporator core is leaking, then that is more than likely our issue. And as always, remember to subscribe and like the videos.